These strategies, they are built to provide a diversification to clients, focusing on low risk and providing an uncorrelated investment to help asset allocation of clients.
Hello, lovely to meet you. Could you introduce yourself, what you do and your app?
Hi, my name is Roberto. I am on etoro for 6 years. I'm running the Smart Portfolio unit, overseeing the several strategies that we offer to clients who wish to copy smart portfolios.
Wow. So what are smart portfolios on eToro?
Smart portfolios are baskets of assets where someone can simply, with one click, invest and diversify their portfolio. And we have several strategies, thematic strategies with technology, with traditional investments, we have partnerships, and we have the alpha portfolios, which are AI-driven strategies that provide a different asset allocation to clients.
Tell me more about alpha portfolios and how they work exactly.
All right. Alpha portfolios, they are built by a team of data scientists that we have on eToro, and they use machine learning techniques in order to provide an asset allocation in a specific strategy, market neutral strategies, momentum strategies. These strategies, they are built to provide a diversification to clients, focusing on low risk and providing an uncorrelated investment to help asset allocation of clients.
Why is it strategic to hold alpha portfolios in an asset allocation?
First of all, alpha portfolios, they are uncorrelated with other investments. For example, technology. If someone is invested in the global markets, this is uncorrelated. The moment that you have uncorrelated investments, you reduce your overall portfolio volatility. That's point number one. And second point, we are talking about strategies that are similar to hedge funds. But hedge funds require a high minimum amount to invest. Hedge funds, they have lockup periods. If you would like to exit, you have to wait sometimes 1 month, sometimes 6 months. Hedge funds, they have management fees, they have performance fees. We're offering these high-level strategies with a much lower minimum investment, without any management fees, without performance fees, and without any lockup. So all of these advantages makes the alpha super interesting to have in someone's portfolio.
Wow, and could you show me how it works?
Of course, we have on the main discovery page on the platform, we have a whole carousel of strategies that are part of the alpha portfolio offering. For example, we can go into momentum or less. You can see in the stats page, the performances, it's been positive very much this year so far. The risk is very controlled between 4 and 5. This portfolio is composed of long and short stocks, which reduces your volatility. You can be seeing that investors are investing in it. It's a portfolio diversified into 62 stocks. 1/3 of the portfolio is short, the 2/3 are long. And we have on eToro for over 2 years, and it's a successful strategy.
I have one last question for you, if you could answer it, please. If you could finish the sentence, knowing better means?
Knowing better means having the tools to find what will help your portfolio and know better how to diversify it in your allocation.
That was an amazing answer. Thank you so much, and thank you for showing me your app. It looks amazing. Thank you.